how to link your Epic Games account to Steam. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guys. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually link your Steam and your Epic Games account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, just come to your browser and then go to epicgames.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below as well. Once you come to epicgames.com, make sure to sign into your account. Click on your account username from the top right and then go to the option called account, as you can see. So once you click the option called account, it will basically take you to this page over here, where on the left hand side, if you look, you'll have the option called apps and accounts. As you can see, just go to the apps and accounts section. Make sure to just go to account section again, and over here you'll find Steam. So basically you can see I have not yet connected. So if I want to connect it, all I need to do is just click on the connect option over here and it will ask me to link my Steam account. So make sure that you also sign into your Steam account and then just click on the link account button. It will take you to a page where you can simply connect and then log into your Steam ID. So let me go ahead and then do that respectively as well. So once you enter your username and password of your Steam ID and then click on the sign in button, all you have to do is simply authorize it and then you'll be able to successfully link your Steam account as well as your Epic Games account. That's all it takes to link your Epic Games account to your Steam account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.